I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to link 3 CDJs together. First, gather your essential equipment: 3 CDJ players, a DJ mixer, a network switch, and all necessary power, audio, and Ethernet cables. This guide will walk you through connecting everything to create a powerful, integrated setup. We will cover physical connections, network configuration, and final testing to ensure a smooth, professional performance with all 3 units. Begin by ensuring all your equipment is powered off for safety. Connect a power cable to each of your 3 CDJs and plug them into a reliable power source. Next, take an RCA audio cable from the output of each CDJ and connect it to a dedicated input channel on your DJ mixer. For example, CDJ1 to channel 1, CDJ2 to channel 2, and CDJ3 to channel 3. Finally, connect your mixer's master output to your sound system. Now, let's set up the Pro DJ Link network. Take an Ethernet cable from the link port on each of your 3 CDJs and connect them to separate ports on your network switch. If your DJ mixer also has a link port, connect it to another available port on the same switch. This network connection enables seamless track sharing, synchronized beat grids, and shared hot cues across all 3 CDJs, enhancing your performance capabilities significantly. With all connections made, it's time to power on your equipment. Start with your mixer, then the 3 CDJs, and finally the network switch. On your mixer, select the correct input channel for each CDJ. Check each CDJ's screen for a link or network status indicator to confirm a successful connection. Load a track on one CDJ and verify that it appears in the Browse menu of the other 2 units. Test the audio output from each CDJ.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.